Hey guys, hope you had a great weekend here. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to be discussing the oil chart here and the future direction that oil is going to head. So you're going to want to listen up very closely and stick around until the very end so you don't miss a thing. All right, so we've got oil here. We're going to be looking at the USO chart here. It's very good at tracking oil, okay? So if you're trading any of the oil products, crude, any of them, this is going to be a great video for you. Okay, so we've got two main levels here that we're watching for both an upside or a downside move on oil. Okay, because right now we're virtually trading sideways here, and we're super coiled for a big move. Okay, so right now we are coiling between this downtrend. You can see it started back here. I can even lower it a little bit. Right here, rejected there, rejected here, here, there, and we just keep on getting rejected. I'm just going to raise it just a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, and we keep on coming up to that same level. Okay, that's how you know this is a super important key level to watch. Okay, now on the underside, we've also got a trend line here that's very important as well. You can see right here, it started back here in January, got multiple bounces here in June, bounce here in August, another one right here, and we're really super coiled between these two levels. And we can't trade sideways forever, okay? We cannot trade sideways forever. And once we actually break out of this range, you better believe this is going to be a big time move. I'm just going to show you a couple of examples of the last few times we've traded sideways. Here's a move sideways right here. That's a little box. We ended up moving higher. I mean, here's another one that you can go and you see a big move higher right here. You can see there was a sideways trading here, and you can see a pretty big move lower once again over here. Okay, so you get the picture. Okay, but right here what we have is an even bigger range. All right, and I'm going to draw it for you right here. Now, the bigger the range, I'm just going to delete all the, well, no, I'll keep them on. So the reason why this is so key here, guys, is because we've been trading sideways for longer than we have each of these times. And you saw there's big moves here, there, this one moved higher. But here, we've been trading sideways between these two ranges, right here and right here for about, what is this, 2.5 months almost? Almost 3 months right here, trading sideways between these ranges. Now what that means is it's building up energy, okay? Building up energy, because last time we kind of had something like this, we had a big move lower. Okay, that doesn't mean, I'm not saying this is going to move lower. I'm just saying that when we break out or break down out of this range, it can move really big. So that's why it's super important to pay attention to these two levels. All right, so the two levels, if you're looking at the USO chart, are about 1230. Okay, we need to close over 1230. Okay, and don't worry about chasing. A lot of people, I discussed this in my last video on biotechs that I just made earlier today, is that a lot of people, they end up missing out on big moves like this here because they don't want to chase, okay? And they end up missing out on huge moves, okay? So even though it'll make, when it breaks out, trust me, it's going to be a big day that it breaks out. It might even come up to like 1260. And in my opinion, that is the time to enter. Okay? That is the time to enter when it breaks out. Because if you wait, you're going to have to buy at 1320, 1380, and you might even miss out completely because you don't want to get caught chasing. So pay attention to these levels the whole time. Okay? So the upside level, about 1230. We need to close over that level. Conversely, right now, and again, if you watch my prior video on USO, the levels are changing because the downtrend line is on a decline. It's downtrending. So the level is getting closer and closer, okay? Same thing with the underside move. We're getting tighter and tighter here, okay? So on the underside move, I'd say we need to close below about 1075, okay? About 1075 is what I would need to see in order to close and get short oil. 1075 on USO, okay? I'm telling you, you need to pay attention to these levels because it can break out big time or break down a big move like we saw over here or even over here where we broke out of this little sideways range. And you got to remember, this sideways range was about 1 month long, okay? January. For the month of January, we traded sideways. This is half of June, July, and August. We've been trading sideways right here, okay? Almost 3 times the length, okay? And you saw that was a big move here. So just imagine what we can do with 3 times the amount of sideways trading. We could get 3 times the amount of a breakout or a breakdown. So it's super important to pay attention to these levels, all right? So what you're looking at right now is the real-time portfolio tracker that we use here at thetradinganalyst.com to track all of our trades that we alert in real time to our members at thetradinganalyst.com. You can see here all of the entries right here are alerted to members in real time via text message when this entry is placed. The exits as well, all in real time, okay? Not only that, but we have a watch list. About 90% of these plays here are posted on the watch list ahead of time, so you're able to prepare ahead of time for these trades. We're not just throwing out these alerts in the middle of the day without any preparation for you. You know what to expect. And you can see that these alerts are very profitable. You can see the average win is almost double the size of the average loss. You can see that the total gains here, okay, this isn't an account size, okay? These are actual profits following all of these alerts that we send to members here at thetradinganalyst.com. $314,000 in the last 13 months, okay? So just over a year, we've been using this portfolio tracker to track all of our trades, all of the entries, the exits, all of the wins and the losses and the break-even trades. Everything gets put on this portfolio tracker, okay? There's also a section of the portfolio tracker that you'll get access to once you join, and that is our open position list. So you can track all of our open positions as well. We have our stop loss, our target, and a lot of other information on the open positions in that section as well. I can't show that to you today because only members can see that. Okay, so if you are struggling to make consistent returns in the market and you'd like to actually turn that around, then I'd invite you to join the membership here at thetradinganalyst.com, and I'll start sending you alerts in real time. I'll send you the entries and the exits. I'll send you a text as soon as these trades are placed. You can start making consistent returns on a regular basis, month after month, quarter after quarter, year after year. And finally, you can start experiencing what it's like to make money in the market, okay? Get yourself out of that hole, learn how to become profitable, and then you can do it on your own, all right? If you have any questions about joining, please reach out to me. I love talking to traders. Also, if you have any questions about the oil chart that I discussed in this video, love talking to traders regardless of your experience level. So feel free to reach out to me about that as well. I look forward to seeing you in the membership. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you next time.